So if you want to see what I have in store for you today, stay tuned and watch. Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we're going to be making a couple of DIYs dedicated to breast cancer awareness with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Awareness surrounding breast cancer is incredibly important as early detection, often through screening, can catch the disease when it is most treatable. According to the American Cancer Society, breast cancer is the most common cancer in American women. So, why is it important to raise awareness about cancer? Well, thousands of lives could be saved each year if people were more aware of the signs and the symptoms of cancer and people look for help as soon as possible, as treatment is usually more effective in the early stages of cancer. So there are many ways that we can promote breast cancer awareness. We can wear pink, which is the color that's associated with breast cancer awareness. We can help cancer patients. We can share the facts and the statistics. We can educate you can educate yourselves or others about cancer screening. You can decorate a bulletin board. You can start a fundraiser. There's just so many different ways that we can bring awareness to this cause. So, in celebrating this important cause of breast cancer awareness, it is best with all cancers that we detect these things early so that they then become easier to treat. Okay, so let's jump into the video. And what you see me doing here is we are painting this truck in pink because this is our breast cancer awareness truck. So we're gonna be decorating it and embellishing it just for that cause. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create these crafts will be listed in the description box below. Okay, now that we're almost finished painting the truck, after we're done with that, we're going to move that aside and we're going to let that dry and move on to project number 2. So here we're going to be decorating this pumpkin, and I can't wait for you to see how this turns out. Okay, so now we're using that apple barrel pink, and I believe it's called cameo pink. It's a beautiful color pink. So we're going to finish off that pumpkin, and then we'll do the last embellishments before we move on to the next project. So I'm not really sure what happened to the top stem of this pumpkin, but we're just going to continue painting this in the pink, and then I'll show you what I did. So now while the pumpkin's drying, we're gonna embellish the truck because now that's dry. I purchased these gold stickers from the Dollar Tree, and that's what we're gonna be embellishing the truck with. is what that beautiful pumpkin looks like. I love the idea of using that straw bale. It is so cute, the little mini ones. And look at this truck. I am so in love with this pink. So now what I wanted to say is that I previously made a pink ribbon for breast cancer awareness, and this is what it looks like. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? And so what I did was make the pumpkin and the truck to go along with the ribbon.